How to fix Google Play Store error check-in for updates on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this error easy and quick on Android phone. First open settings and now scroll down until you find here apps and then click apps again, and here we'll find Google Play Store. Click on it and then click force stop, and after that click storage. Now clear cache, and if that doesn't fix your problem, now click clear data and click OK, and then restart your phone and go back, try again, and that's it. Now if that also doesn't fix it, then all you need to do just come back here and search for Google Play services, and now click force stop and go back, try again. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.